as well as a true teacher, rightly known as Gurudev. He dreamed of creating a garden of learning which had no artificial walls, where children could freely communicate and learn from nature by an intimate friendship with it, where children would command the center of attention, where teachers and students live together. The growth of the pupil is intertwined with the growth of the teacher, as in Gurukuls of India. Today, we are going to perform on the story The Parrots Training, written by Rabindra Tagore. It is a great parody of our system of education. Once upon a time, there was a parrot. It was ignorant. It sang all right, but never recite and lacked manners. King felt that the parrot must be trained. He called his nephew and told, Call nephew. Yes, sir. My dear nephew, the bird must have a sound schooling. Yes, sir. The Pandit suggested. A golden, a golden cage will have because its natural way of living in the net called ignorance. The goldsmith made a golden cage. The script and Pandit wrote a numerous manuscripts and transferred the knowledge to the parents, nephews, the Pandit, goldsmith, and script were rewarded with gold coins. King was satisfied because there was no flaw in the arrangement, and if there was any type of complaint, simply cannot be expected. His thought was completely choked with the leaves from the book, so that the parrot forget to whistle and whisper. It sends a thrill through one's body to watch the process. The bird called on duly, but when morning light peeped into the bird's cage, he fluttered his wings in a reprehensible manner. Rolled a kutu. What a rudeness! This is not the part of prescribed curriculum. Bring the change. The Kotwal and the blacksmith were honored, however, with the title. The bird died. The runners fled come the king's palace. The Raja come to visit the grand school of education. He called the nephew and asked them, Call nephew. Yes, sir. My dear nephew, what about your schooling? The bird schooling is completed. Does it hope? Never. Does it fly? No. Bring me the bird. The bird was guarded by Kotwal and Seapold. Raja poked the parrot's body with his finger, its inner stuffing of the book rustled. So dear teachers, parents and students, if you make it your classroom or house, if you give stuffing of books, syllabus and examination, it reminds the child's learning. It is a great story through which all the students, teachers and parents learn not to become the teacher of the parrot. Thank you.